Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a pong game using Scratch. It is going to be so easy and simple, so let's go. First of all, we are going to prepare the side panels and the square. You should draw them like me. Follow my steps. This is sprite 1, sprite 2 and sprite 3. Now we are going to create the right codes for the side panels. Few steps to do and we will be done. The code for sprite 1 will be like this. When clicked, forever. If then, K pressed, change Y by. If then, K pressed, change Y by. And the code for the sprite 2 will be like this. When clicked, forever. If then, KZ pressed, change Y by. If then, K pressed, change Y by. Finally, it's time to create the code for the square to make it bounce and move randomly. Apply each of these steps with me. When clicked, forever, move steps. If on edge, bounce. If then, touching sprite 1, point in direction, pick a random tool. If then, touching sprite 2, point in direction, pick random tool. And my friends, for our steps, propose choose a matchmaking background to finish. Now click on when clicked, wait until touching sprite 3, set score 2, stop all. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it as well. See you next time in a new game.